beef, it's over now, niggas. Cause when we fly together. I guess the beef, it's over now, niggas. Cause when we shine together.
Shep Prophet kunjani igama Remington Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi, and this is Remington Unfiltered. Bafethu kuningi. Shithi manje bafethu, today I want to touch up kuzinto eziview, kunezinto engathanda ukukhuluma ngazo ku Remington Unfiltered, but because maybe it's happening and everyone wants to say what they want to say. So remember guys, the last time I was here I told you it's okay so my graduation, but I was not feeling it, so I'm just gonna wrap up with what happened that weekend, young mom. And then moving on, last time okay, I'll come to it, and then I'll touch on Sundowns because they've been entering Sundowns on social media, and then the issue of Mike Jean at TSTV being cancelled, and then the Oratile story, and then the latest one, MKP and Floyd Shivambo. Let's get to it, Buffett. But Buffett, before ngicala ne, I think dayise kancane. Buffett, ngifuna ukunuka kamnandi no uLaTeven. Ish. uLaTeven ufuna ukunuka kamnandi yabo. I have my sister lana yabo, uSlondiwe wakandlovu. She's selling these the perfume called Africa, right? So noma ufuna into ezonukela kamnandi emotini for your woman, your body lotions, all those things that smell nice. I will drop your number yakhe, and then you can just get on WhatsApp. Yabona unuke mnandi nje umumchita nifro inuke kamnandi yabona netrans inuke sharp. Danko. So let's get to it, Buffett. So 24th of May I was graduating, right? So I woke up like, okay, I don't feel the mood, going to again, and then I just decided to went out. Ngahamba ngayo bengithi now you can see being in the zip whatever. I love happy feel, and then a friend of mine came on a gift. Then it was nice, And then saya go venue again. I went to take pictures first before the venue. Yeah, I'll share a few here. I went to take pictures, and obviously my support system has always been there. And my daughter was there. My daughter as well was there. And my sister-in-law was there with her kids, and obviously my friends, which are the, so it was nice. But there good graduation venue, there are two things that happened that touched me. I won't mention names. So the guy was sitting next to, right, good graduation. We realized Umchita, who's passing by a stage. I tell Umchita, no, I know this guy. I feel like this guy is not okay. Now I could see, I don't know the guy, but I can see, okay, the way he walks, it's not normal, Okay, he's passed on, see, relax. And then a day after, I'm being told that guy that we saw passed on. May his soul rest in peace. So I was told he was to get special to come and record, to come and graduate. So at least he get who graduate, rest in peace to him, umfana. And then the second story that happened was we even paid a moment of silence, and there was a mama who collected a qualification on behalf of indodakazi yakhe eyashiya na emhlabeni. Iyo kuningi bafethu, kuningi. So sometimes uvele ngibona ukuthi life you mhlambe sinokuyithatha kancane, but life is very short. So bafethu, my graduation was very beautiful. I don't know how I was looking, but I want you to comment, how was I looking? Ngizozwa ngani-ke kuma comments. But yeah, congratulations to the class of 2024. I graduated in all university, KZN and DUT, MUT, everywhere in South Africa, Sindluleke lapho. Oh, a big shout out to Charlie. Charlie has been there, my guy. Born for it. And then again, on that graduation day, it was 24th. I think it was the last game of PSL. I don't like talking about soccer. Of PSL, and Santana, I think, was playing CAF the first leg. So I couldn't watch those games, but I know with my favorite team, Kaizer Chiefs, didn't qualify for top 8. Very, but it's fine. We're still celebrating Nedbank. And then we go to Santan play. I think they played draw of 1-1. And then bahambe baye Cairo. Babafike Cairo badliwe ke nje. Kamnandi futhi. Mina ngifebe. The only thing I support that has to do with South Africa is Bafana. When it comes to this thing of intimities, I don't care about that. It doesn't involve me. I don't care. I'm Kosi for life. For life. So now, why the reason why I want to speak in Sundown? If you know Sundown, you be real. Sundown, you fire Umangoba, no Roland, because they were told the good thing they didn't win the CAF Champions League, right? Now, Mokadios, that was what they didn't win it. Get the pen. I can imagine now. Or else it depends with who you are, because the son of the Souls above way too, they are South African. And then it's easy to say Kete. Then look at also yeah, still. Sometimes be real, Baba. Practice the letter you preach, Baba. So this is why I wanted to touch on Sundowns. But I want them to be real. Go to coach I ham pen. And yet they say Laba Bahama because they couldn't win CAF. Now I got win pen. Get it? So guess this. And then we go back to Machi. If you remember, guys, Machi had that issue where he made a comment about you, Mini Cooper. Yeah, the mini one. So apparently Machina has been shown a gate with DStv. But yena uthi i-contract yakhe ayivuselelwanga kanjani. While other podcasts are there. And he's the biggest podcast in Africa. Something he's not telling us, you know. But the issue Machi taught me a good thing. If you are good in what you're doing, you know, you should stick to it. If it's paying bills and stick to it. But this thing of mine, I don't know what offer deal they had with DStv, but I feel like they were quick to move to that DStv thing, saying making TV great again and all this. No. Let TV be TV. It doesn't have to do with you. Stick to your lane. Machi should have just stick to his lane. But what I like about Machi, no matter what, he's still the same guy. He doesn't care. He doesn't care Machi. But that's his personality for me, for what I see. You'll never see him hurt. He get pissed off than being hurt. But yeah, what I wanted to touch is if you create something, stick to it. You know, don't try to be all over the place sometimes. Just stick to your lane. Relax with the loop light. Okay. Now I'm gonna touch on the issue of Oratile story. I don't know if I'm pronouncing right because it seems like Atil Kamales Sut. But Oratile. So just to give a context on that story. Just fast, Langi Bamba Kona fast. Oratile was going in a date, Nomchita. I think the guy they met online. I don't know whether it's dating apps or what. So allegedly she told her friend, friends, if in an hour I don't text you, please, ni panic, you know. So I feel like she already could feel it. She could sense the bad attention or what. And then what happened in an hour, she didn't text, and then her friends started looking. And then they trace the phone, wouldn't find my phone. And then they find the phone in the bag, and she was not there. And then apparently the same car that picked her up was seen somewhere dropping a very huge package. Then apparently that package was already his body. And then now, what happened is when maphoyisa zama ukubopha umuntu, babamba umjita oyiwashele imoto. But apparently kuthiwa how they arrested umjita ukuthi this one ogangayo lo othathe Oratile ngemoto urike iSIM card using ama details alo washa imoto, you know. So we've been seeing on Twitter this guy has been released now because they managed to actually get the actual perpetrator. So that one was fine. So my story here, or my advice, or my take is to our sisters, you know. I know kunzima vele. Inzima lento. This social media and dating online and loving things, it won't work. It won't work. You know, sometimes I think it's even better if you tell a guy, no, let's meet where, than saying a guy will pick you up. Just my thoughts. Because, you know, let's just meet at, for example, we're in Devon. Where you want to just make it seem crazy. Let's make it the workshop. You'll meet me there. And then after you go separate. But obviously, good people are no ozokanga, you know. For a few seconds or few minutes, for that message, also acting at right now, we feel it uzokwenza ufeel comfortable and all, but you'll never know their intentions. But-ke nenye into nayo ukuthi ngathi ungaba nabangani abangakulandela, send live location immediately. I don't know, but that thing was painful. It was really painful for me. Yeah, so because I'm raising amadoda, so it's painful. But we can't go to general Mkhwanazi manage to deal with the actual person owenze lento. But-ke enye into enginekuziquestiona ukuthi lo mjithe lona abareke ama-details wakhe. Hey, watholaphi? Ngagesa everything mina, ngagesa i-ID, ngagesa my real name. I don't know. What's your take? Comment angizwe. What's your take on that story? What actually happened? It feels like a call into fihlakele-ke. But-ke we will never know because siyabona ku-X they're busy donating for the guy. They're saying we want to help him buy izinto zokuclean imoto and all that, which is good. I like it. I always said South Africans, we have power. But behind the story of Oratile, there's too much going on there. Okay, wafethu ngidluleke lapho. Touching on the last one, MKP. The issue of MKP, uFloyd has been, is it being demoted? By a member of parliament, which means uFloyd now is in the same level, no Papa Penny. So I've watched somewhere, I think it was an interview, I think 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Floyd Shivambu was asked with him, Lento kuye Malawi, was it on his own capacity or it has to do with MKP and all that? Well, explain the story. What there's nothing he does. Engandluli president first. So Kambok Malawi, president was away. He even mentioned, there was going to be election in Malawi in September. So there were discussion there that he couldn't reveal, but president was away. President talking about former President Jacob Zuma. Yeah. And then 2 days later, he's being redeployed or demoted based on a section in the constitution that the same thing of taking international trips and support MK, but he was busy saying, he was asked several times, he was saying whatever he was doing, Jacob Zuma is aware. So now why is he getting demoted? Something's fishy. But yeah. So now I'm thinking, don't you do the constitution? I've been right break. I go tough. But any questioning now, comrades. Oguti, EMK, is it a family business like Kaizer Chiefs, or it's a political party for everyone, or a family business? I mean, not to do zero, tweeted things and all that, something the former secretary. But the only thing she had to do was to apologize, apologize and move on. But this guy went to Malawi, then gone. But not to do zero, what she did, now because she go to you don't insult. So I don't know. What's your take? Comment down below, like, subscribe, and see you again. Maduze raga.